This is the #1 mistake beginners make earning online, and crucially, where you should actually start. What if I tell you that most people trying to earn online are making one simple mistake? And because of that, they never make even their first dollar. It's not because online earning is hard. It's because they start the wrong way. In this video, I'm going to show you what actually works and what you must avoid if you truly want to start earning online. There are thousands of ways to earn money online today. Freelancing, content creation, affiliate marketing, trading, dropshipping. The list never ends. But here's what nobody tells beginners. Not all of these methods are meant for you when you are just starting. Choosing the wrong method can waste months of your time and leave you frustrated and ready to quit. So the real question is not how to earn online. The real question is, where should you start? It's not how to earn online. The real question is, where should you start? Welcome to Part 2, Requirements and the Freelancing Mindset for Earning Online. Before we go further, let's clear one big confusion that often holds people back. You do not need money to start earning online. Seriously, let that sink in. You also do not need expensive tools or a complicated setup to kickstart your journey. All you need are 3 simple things to begin earning income online. First, you need an internet connection. This is non-negotiable for online work. Second, you need a basic device, like a phone or a laptop. You probably already have one of these. And third, the willingness to learn and, most importantly, stay consistent. This is the mindset requirement. Now let's talk about freelancing, a fantastic starting point for beginners. Freelancing is one of the easiest ways for beginners to start earning online and build up experience. But most people fail here for one reason. They try to learn everything at once and jump from skill to skill without mastering anything. So what is the path to success in freelancing? Here's what actually works. Start by picking one simple skill, something manageable, and commit to focusing on it daily. Practice that skill consistently. Daily effort is much better than occasional bursts of activity. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be good enough to get started and deliver value. With the right mindset and minimal requirements, your online earning journey can begin now. Recapping: internet, basic device, and consistency are key. Master one simple skill, and you are ready to freelance. Welcome to Part 3 of our series. We're diving into the second crucial method for success, content creation, simplified. Now let's move to the second method, content creation. Most people overthink this part. They believe they need to show their face. They think they need expensive equipment, but that's not true. You can start with just your phone. You can create videos without showing your face. What actually matters is value. If your content helps people, teaches something useful, or solves a problem, people will watch you. People will watch you. And once people start watching you, you start building attention. And attention is the new currency online. Welcome to Part 4 of our series, where we talk about affiliate marketing and why building trust is the most important step before you even think about selling. We're diving into the third method of making money online, and it's a game changer, affiliate marketing. Now comes the third method, affiliate marketing. This is where you can truly scale your income. But beginners often make a big mistake here. They try to sell without building trust, which is fundamentally flawed. They promote links everywhere, often resembling spam. They try to force people to buy, and this approach inevitably fails. Why? Because people don't buy from strangers. So what should you do instead? The answer is simple: provide value. First, Focus entirely on providing value. Help people. Teach something genuinely useful to your audience. And then, and only then, recommend products that actually solve your audience's problems. This is the core of effective affiliate marketing. That's how you build real, lasting trust with your audience. And that's the reliable way to earn consistently with affiliate marketing. Welcome to Part 5. Today we're revealing the biggest mistake that stops people from succeeding online and the real strategy to overcome it. Now here is the biggest mistake that stops people from succeeding. It's jumping from one method to another. 1 week freelancing, next week something else. Every week a new idea. This constant jumping destroys your progress. Because success does not come from trying everything. It comes from consistency. So here is the real strategy. We start with freelancing. Learn one high-demand skill and begin earning income immediately. At the same time, you must start creating content. Share what you learn through freelancing and build an audience around that expertise. Then, use affiliate marketing to scale your income beyond active freelancing work. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn passive income by recommending products and services to your growing audience. This is the real roadmap. It is simple, practical, and proven to work. If you want to follow the right path and avoid mistakes, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Because in the next videos, I will show you step by step how to start from zero with this exact roadmap.